Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. My name is Terry. I'm so excited today. Today we're going to play with and take a look at all three of these boxes. We have Birchbox, Allure Beauty, and Glossy Box, and figure out which box do you get the best bang for your buck. These are all beauty boxes. I did not include Ipsy and BoxyCharm because I kind of feel like they're in a class of their own, providing full-size products, whereas the three of these boxes either give you samples or they give you deluxe size. So we're going to break them down a little bit for you. Price-wise, Birchbox is $15. It used to be $10, it went up, and provides you with sample sizes, 5 to 6. Allure Beauty gives you 5 items typically and is $15 as well. And Glossy Box is a little bit more expensive, and even in the packaging you can see a difference, coming in at $21, 5 items, and you get deluxe. So both of these boxes give you deluxe samples. We're going to go through them and see what we have. And then Birchbox is $15. I hope everything's in here. It feels light, and it gives you sample sizes. Let me open that and make sure everything is in here that's supposed to be. It feels like nothing's in here. Oh, it is. Okay, it's just really light. All right, so let's start with the packaging of them. So Birchbox, we got this pretty kind of periwinkle purpley blue. Here's what the package looks like. When you open it, you have tissue paper, and then you have, it looks like a card, and you have your products on the inside. And there's actually 6 items in this box, okay? And we'll see which one gives the better samples, better product bang for your buck kind of thing. So Allure Beauty also has tissue paper, but Allure Beauty gives you kind of a little booklet, and I like this actually. It really explains how the products work for real people using them. And in this one we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items as well. So both of those boxes were $15, 6 items, but I believe we're getting bigger samples in this one from what I can kind of quickly see, but we'll open it and show you. Glossy Box, you're stepping up $6. This is coming up $21 versus the $15. It's heavier. I believe this also has deluxe samples in it. And when you open this, now I have opened this box, quality. This is a super quality box. You can use these boxes and reuse them. I use them all the time. They're great for gift wrapping, they're great for sending in the mail, and they're great for organizing in your bedroom because they're really cute. And about every other month I get a little bit of a different box. The traditional pink and white box is fabulous, or pink and black is fabulous, but you do get some like designer boxes as well. This comes wrapped in a ribbon, and you have a little Glossy Box sticker. So we're going to open the two here. Let's start with comparing Allure versus Birchbox and see what we have. And I'm going to actually pan you guys down to see with me. All right, I think you guys can see. Okay, so let's start with Birchbox. What is this? This just says women are power in honor of partnership female founder. We ask, okay, so there's just a little thing here. And then this is our card. This one says, for the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. And we have our items. So we have from Benefit Cosmetics, we have their Real mascara. And full size would be 25. This is sample size. Dr. Lip, is that this? Where's Dr. Lip? This is Dr. Lip. This is Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. Guess that you can use that on your nipples too, but it's for your lips. It says multi-purpose. Full size would be $14.50. It rehydrates skin, lips. It soothes sunburns. It can tame brows and nourish cuticles. So that's a kind of an all-purpose moisturizing balm. Again, sample size. Sorry about the cars, guys. All right, what is this? This is from Arrow, and this is a nourishing lip oil in color enhancing pink. This full size would be $16. This is in a different language. What is this? Some kind of an elixir, N4. Number 4, Fluoro 5 Elixir Restore and Repair Oil. Full size of this would be 26. This is a lightweight oil. Oh, this is for your hair. So this is for, you put it on damp hair and it smooths and dry, adds shine and repairs your hair, okay? So that, you probably get like maybe 2 uses out of. Then we have Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel here. And this is by Perlise. I love Perlise items. This is a great item. This is $24 full size. And our last item is by Oribe, Straightaway Smoothing Blowout Cream. And full size for this is $44. So again, we got 6 items in this box, all very small sample travel size items. Let's next move into our Allure Beauty. Now let me get my little thing here. So, okay, so the first item, I'm already seeing these are much bigger samples. These are the same price, these 2 boxes, they're $15. So this is Skin Ink. This is Illuminate and Brighten. This is like a glow, I'll show it to you. It's $65 for the full size. This is gonna be a deluxe sample here. These are just sample size, and these are deluxe, a lot of deluxe samples. Ooh, look at this. So neat, look at the little dots in it. So this is supposed to give your skin vitamin A and clarify it and moisturize it with hyaluronic acid. So that is going to last you quite a bit. I wonder if that's even full size. I don't know. This is 20 millimeters or 0.67 full ounces in here. So there's that item. And a $65 full value if that is real. Okay, so next item is a real eye cream for face. This is by AHC Essential Eye Cream. To me, this looks like a full size as well. Get it out and show you. Maybe the box is just big. No, this is an eye cream. Look at that. You get a full size eye cream, and this retails for $28.99. All right. The next item, I got this one. There's some choices. Okay, so this is by VDL, and this is a primer, K-Beauty primer, and the retail, you can buy this at Ulta. The retail of this is $32. This might be one of the deluxe size items, but I feel like those 2 might be full size. But I think this is more of a deluxe sample here. That doesn't, oh, there it goes. Yep, this is a primer for your face. That's a nice good size for a primer. That's a deluxe sample. And again, retails at $32. All right, next we got something by Curology. And this retails for $19.95. And this is a moisturizer. And it's it says it has a whipped cream and jello, pillowy, spreadable, buildable texture. No extra bells or whistles or vague healing. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, moisturizes. So this is probably another deluxe size. Smooth Sailing Moisturizer. There you go. That's fabulous too. That's a nice, good size. Okay, that's the 4th sample. Then we got this, which this is not the full size. This is full size of this would be $12.99. This is from Allure. This is a resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. I don't know what the heck that means. It's a brilliant exfoliating cleanser, goes on as a cream, thickening as you rub it in, and with water it turns into a foam that cleans your skin, leaving it squeaky clean. And unicorn root brightens the skin. And it has glycolic acid in it as well. So there is our 5th sample. And our last sample in here looks like a mask. This is called When Glamour Base Sheet Mask. This is for dried or dull skin. It wakes up your skin with hyaluronic acid, has collagen and peptides in it. And these are $7, and you can buy these at whenbeautyus.com. And that is our 6th sample. So just from these 2 boxes, my initial impression looking at this, both these boxes are the same. This one's giving you little dinky sample sizes, and this box is giving you a couple full-size items and the rest deluxe samples. So I would say, just if I was looking at these, that the Allure Beauty to me seems to be the better value for your money. What do you guys think about that? Now, let's take a look at our Glossy Box and see what we're getting in here, which I honestly don't remember. I don't know if there's something in here that shows me prices. I don't see anything with prices, so we're just gonna look, so then I'm not gonna really know the full price value. So this is Strawberry Booster. This is a cold pressed strawberry seed oil. And that is definitely either a full size or a deluxe. This is 15 mil, maybe a deluxe size. But my oils are not much bigger. They may be like this big, like just slightly bigger than this. This is a strawberry oil, so I'm excited about that. That is by BYBI, BYBI is the brand of this. Then we have, this is more sample side. This is Mud Mask Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask by Mud Masky. Okay, that's sample 2. Then we have a lip scrub. This may be a full size. This is Tree Hut Sugar Lips. You got a little tub of it. I don't know if this is, yeah. So there it is. A lip scrub. Lip scrubs aren't very big to begin with, so I think that this might be a full size one, but I'm not really sure. If you guys know, let me know. That's our 3rd sample. Then we got a scrunchie. Love this. This is just a Glossy Box scrunchie. I always use scrunchies, so that's fabulous. So that's our 4th. Our 5th one is Avant Collagen Aloe Vera Hyaluronic Lavender Oil Glycerin Vitamin C and Allotonin eye masks. Little eye for under your eye. So that's definitely a sample. But then there's a big one in here. Look at this sucker. This is by Candy Cosmetic. This is a pre-glow up mist. This has a thing on it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this open. Yeah, maybe. So this is huge. So you are paying $6 more for this. So, oh my, ooh, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. This is a dewy glow mist for after your makeup. That is definitely full size. So we got a full size item in this. This to me makes the whole box worth the $21. And then the extra. So you got, let me just make sure that there's nothing in here. No. I thought they usually gave you something, but I don't see anything in here to show me what the values of these things are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I do feel like we got a good value on the Glossy Box, and I really like the packaging of Glossy Box. And then next I like this one here, the Allure. Okay, sorry, my phone rang. So I forgot to put it on airplane mode. So in my humble opinion, I think the least value for your money is Birchbox with the small, tiny samples. I'm getting it for free. I have 6 months of a free subscription through work, so I'm not unhappy with this. I also do like the samples that I got, but if I were paying for it, I would cut this out of, I would probably not purchase this. Allure has really stepped it up. I've noticed this year especially, Allure has brought it to the table for $15. Well worth it. You have deluxe and full-size items in here. This is a good value right here. I actually have a couple other Allure boxes I didn't open that I will go back and show you guys what I received. But this is a good value. This is definitely one worth checking out. And I do have a coupon code where you can get your Allure box for $10, your first one, instead of $15. So it doesn't hurt to try that one out. And then of course, Glossy Box, I also think, oops, is a really good value. That you've got full-size items, you've got deluxe samples in here. This is supposed to be all deluxe, and Allure is supposed to be a mix of, is also supposed to be deluxe, and then Birchbox is what it says it is. It's sample size. So I would say check out the Allure if you're looking for your best value. If you can come up a little bit for $6 more, you can go and get Glossy Box. I would love to know your opinions, guys, on what you think. Do you subscribe to any of these boxes already? And what are your thoughts? Do you agree with me on the values that I kind of see through looking at this, and which is your, what do you think is the best bang for your buck? I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. If you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe for more videos just like this in fashion and beauty. And if you enjoyed the video also, please don't forget to like the video and comment below your favorite box. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.